Hi guys, channel shout out. So that Sonia, you say you want to do channel shout out. When are we starting? When are we not starting? Anyways, I have two major updates to deliver to you guys in this particular video, which is the first one is channel shout out, and the second one is my YouTubers Connect. Okay, and this particular YouTubers Connect is just going to be limited to Port Harcourt for now, but there is a good news so that people that are in other states will not be like, why only Port Harcourt? There is a good news. I will soon be traveling to Abuja. If you are among Abuja content creators and you also want us to meet, okay, and do like a connect for Abuja, let me know in the comment section. You know, I don't have any hand in Abuja, so Abuja is not like my territory. I don't stay there, so I cannot say Abuja connect, you should come. Just let me know in the comment section and we'll just arrange and schedule how we're going to meet when I come to Abuja, okay? With that being said, let's dive right into the update of today. Anyway, hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It Vibes, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If it's first time tuning in, do what, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this goodness. And yes, with that being said, let's jump into this video. Now, concerning the channel shout out, this is how I actually strategize it, and feel free to drop your opinion for me in the comment section if you feel you have anything that can actually work better for me. Now, how I strategize it so that it can be able to reach a wider audience and help a lot of people is I want you to first of all know that in doing this channel shout outs, our first intention is to reach wider audience, to shout out a lot of channels, but there is still possibility say we'll not go feel reach you. Do you know why? Because you might not watch this video from beginning to the end and understand the rules and regulations. At the end of the day, you'll be like, Sonia is partial. I don't want to be partial about this, okay? It is going to be like this. Every single day for the channel shout out, I'm going to be dropping a community post. Now I'm going to be picking from the community post so that it will be very, very easy. I don't have all of that strength to go into the comment section and start picking people from comment section, but I'll pick from the community post. Once I drop a community post, the first 10 persons that I'm going to be picking out are people I'm going to be shouting out to. You understand? So let's take, for example, I drop this first community post and the first 10 persons to comment, I'm going to be shouting them out. And please, if you know that your channel is up to 1,000 subscribers or your channel is monetized, please, it is important that you don't go ahead and just drop a comment, because what we want to do basically is to help people that are less than 1,000 subscribers. You understand? And people that are looking forward to get monetized. You get what I'm trying to say? So we are going to be doing channel shout out for them. You get? So just go ahead and drop your comments once you see the the community post, and it is going to be easy. Now, the second ways we are going to be doing it is for those ones that are not watching videos from beginning to the end. That's where they are going to be having major issues, because we are going to be saying something in between our videos, and once you say something in between our videos, the first 10 people as well to be able to relate to that particular thing that we said in between our videos are going to also be picked out for shout outs. You understand? Now, this is the most important thing you should know. In all the shout out I'm going to be doing, I'm not going to be ignoring my members. My members are going to be like my first top priority. You understand? So even if my members drop comments or they don't drop comments as the first top 10 persons, I am going to personally go into my channel membership, root out my members, and also attach my members. So if I'm shouting out 10 channels, right, just have it in mind that at least 3 are going to be my members. So this is for me to also tell my members that I am grateful and I do not take them for granted, because it is not easy for people. I've had members that they have been subscribing for over months now. I've had members that for the past 6 months they have been on the channel, still subscribe. I know them, you understand? So please, I hope this is well kind of explained. Like I said, drop your opinion for me in the comment section. If there is any way you feel we can do it better, I'll really appreciate that. Right now, another thing you need to know is that we are going to be activating our WhatsApp channels. Now, for the WhatsApp channel activation, anybody that will come and chat me up personally on WhatsApp, sorry, I might block that person, because I found that a lot of people, what they did before that enabled us to block that particular WhatsApp channel is because they will leave what they are supposed to do and then they are coming to chat me personally. If I see you chatting me personally and you're telling me, oh, I saw your video here or I saw your video there, please, with all due respect, I will block you. And don't think that Sonia is rude, because if everybody start chatting me, I don't know where my life is going to be. Like, a lot of people have personally told me that don't bring out anything WhatsApp here, it's going to distract. But I just told myself that I just want a situation whereby everybody will actually attain success. So do not chat me up on WhatsApp. Do not. If you chat me, I'm gonna block you. You're gonna chop blocking. Anyways, that's for that. Now for the YouTubers Connect, like I said, I'll be going to Abuja very soon. I don't know the exact date, but I know that at least before the ending of this month or next month, I'll be going to Abuja, right? I'll be going to Kaduna. From there, as I'm coming back, I'll definitely reach Abuja because I have some YouTubers that I needed to see. So if you're among people that actually want to connect and see me in Abuja, what are you going to do? You are going to send me a mail. Not now, please. Not now. Send me a mail. I will still give an update. You will send me a mail. Now from the mail, I'm going to get your WhatsApp contacts, and then we'll create a group for Abuja, and then we are going to what? Meet up for everybody that is in Abuja that want to see us, that want to see me. You understand? We'll meet up there. Now that is for Abuja, right? Now for Port Harcourt YouTubers, if you are interested in joining Port Harcourt YouTubers, please and please and please do not send me mail, right? I'm going to be creating an account. I need to talk to someone. I'm going to be creating a channel group. Now once I create a channel group, we are going to create another mail that you're going to be sending your mails to, so that's why we pick all of those people that are sending their numbers in the mail, indicating that they are Port Harcourt Connect YouTubers, and then we'll add them up to that group to make things very, very easy. Now once you add them up to that group, in that group we'll be able to decide which particular day we are going to be meeting, how are we going to do it. A lot of things we are going to be discussing in that group. We don't even need to be saying it in this particular place, you understand? So this is basically what is going to happen. Like I said, if you have any opinion, feel free. I always love to see your opinion in the comment section so that I can also be able to click and then relate to you. Now, if you have not joined my membership, join my membership so that I can have premium content or nothing. That is it. And if you're still struggling with your YouTube channel, you want me to personally come into your channel to check out and review, that is my job as well. You check my mail, faith3195@gmail.com, in the description, and it's also in my bio as well. Send us a mail, enroll in our coaching classes. Sometimes you need people to come to your listing and check. That's the honest. You need us. You need us. You understand? You need us. It cannot be overemphasized. At least let's come and check and see that, okay, these settings are okay. At least you are doing well. You know, this is what you should do as well. We minus, we plus, and as before you know, you pick up your channel from where you start. Don't be doing things blindly. So you need us. So if you want to enroll in our coaching classes, don't forget to send us a mail. We coach for 1 day, we coach for 1 week, we coach for 2 weeks, we coach for even 30 days. To build channel from scratch. You understand? Anyways, if you have not subscribed and this is the first time you're seeing my video, my name is Sonia and I bring all the vibes on your table. And yes, with no further ado, I do like to say in my videos. I'm going to be simple and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye guys. I love you. Mwah.